Hello viewers. Welcome to FACTSOGRAM. Before starting the video, please like, share, subscribe, and also don't forget to press the bell icon to get more updates. If Antarctica is melted. Antarctica, fifth in size among the world's continents. Its landmass is almost wholly covered by a vast ice sheet. Often described as a continent of superlatives, Antarctica is the world's southernmost continent. It is also the world's highest, driest, windiest, coldest, and iciest continent. Antarctica is about 5.5 million square miles, 14.2 million square kilometer, in size, and thick ice covers about 98% of the land. The continent is divided into East Antarctica, which is largely composed of a high ice-covered plateau, and West Antarctica, which is largely an ice sheet covering an archipelago of mountainous islands. Antarctica, the southernmost continent and site of the South Pole, is a virtually uninhabited, ice-covered landmass. Most cruises to the continent visit the Antarctic Peninsula, which stretches toward South America. It's known for the Le Maire Channel and Paradise Harbor, striking, iceberg-flanked passageways, and Port Lockroy, a former British research station turned museum. The peninsula's isolated terrain also shelters rich wildlife, including many penguins. Sea level would rise up to 60 meters. All 7 continents would be partially underwater. Cities like London, Mumbai, Miami and Sydney would disappear beneath the ocean. Billions of people would have to be displaced, causing millions of people become homeless. The saltiness of the oceans would go away, causing extinction of most marine lives. The situation on Earth would be devastating. If all the ice in Antarctica melted, the sea level would rise around 60 meters, which can cause most of the buildings and houses in the coastal region to submerge underwater. Even a small earthquake would trigger huge tsunamis, causing worldwide catastrophes. More than 6 times as large as Greenland. Antarctica is the southernmost continent and the coldest and windiest place on Earth. The Antarctic ice sheet contains 30 million cubic kilometers, 7.2 million cubic miles, of ice, 70% of Earth's freshwater and 90% of its ice. Global sea levels are predicted to rise by 20 to 60 mm by 2100, and possibly up to meter. This is mostly from glacier melt and thermal expansion of the oceans. It does not include inputs from dynamic changes to ice sheet flow. The West Antarctic ice sheet rests on ground below sea level. See marine ice sheet instability hypothesis, which makes it potentially unstable. It is possible that this could collapse rapidly and raise sea levels by 3.2 m, possibly within 500 years. Sea level increase of this rate and magnitude has been noted previously in the paleo record. The West Antarctic ice sheet has probably collapsed in the past, when temperatures were comparable with today's or temperatures projected in the next few centuries.